guys, Brian Stevens here with the National Real Estate Post and Mortgage Shots. Today with me, I have, frankly, a real special guest. One, he is one of my coworkers and the owner of the Loan Factory, one of the fastest growing mortgage brokerages in the country, with easily, I'm telling you, the best technology you have ever seen. It's all integrated, it's all proprietary, and it all makes sense, and it's all included in the price of admission, meaning you don't have to pay for a third-party point of sales, LOSs, CRMs, things like that. It is one-stop shopping, and you're done with a flat rate that you pay. Guys, if you want to maximize your ability to make money, you want to have a conversation with us over here at the Loan Factory. Thuan, how are you doing today?
Very good. Super busy. Super busy.
Well, let's talk about that. You're busy right now. Why are you busy and other people aren't?
Because customers love to work with me. And when rate drop like this, they need a mortgage. They need to refinance and they reach out to me. So I'm so busy.
Okay, but my clients need to refinance. Your clients everyone needs to refinance. Why are you closing at such a higher ratio than everybody else?
There's many reasons, right? So the reason is how you can make sure that your client, when they work with you, they always happy with you. And because they are happy with you, they remember you. They know that you're going to be the one they should go to get mortgage. And therefore, they will reach out to you when they need to refinance. And more important than that, there are so many tools that I use very effectively. So we all know that all loan officers out there, we want to have more clients, right? And we work very hard to win more clients. But we make a huge mistake. We don't keep the existing clients. We keep chasing after new clients. And because of that, we're losing valuable existing client, existing relationship. So what I do is super simple. Every single client that I close, I create a rate alert for them so that in the future when rate drop, our system monitor the rate every day for them. And when it's sufficient enough for them to save money, we notify them. Let them know that, hey, rate drop. You can refinance and save money now. Here's the new rate. So it's automatic. We send it to them. We have a system to monitor the rate automatically and send the rate to the borrower at the right time and when they need to refinance. And they love that, right? They know that we're always there watching out for their benefit, watching out to help them and tell them when they can refinance. More important than that, I have another tool which is very similar to what everyone know, which is like HomeBot or my Home IQ, right? We have something we call that Loan Factory IQ. And we are sending a monthly report to our clients. They are all homeowners, right? We send them a monthly report with all information that they want to see, and they love that. They love to receive the report. And on the report, we also show their current rate and the market rate so that they can compare. They know they have a good rate or not, and it's time to refinance or not. So there's a lot of technology going into the place. But still, the most important thing is when you help your client, you have to make sure that every single client are happy with you and stick with you forever.
Yeah, you brought up a couple of things there, which is what that are wildly important. And I was kind of fishing for something here. And again, guys, I got to stress the technology that we're looking at is incredible. And you're closing, I mean, let's just put this out there. You're closing like 200 deals per month right now, correct?
I think this month I'm going to close at least 100 loans this month.
These numbers are crazy. By the way, what you're looking at here is these are our lenders. And you'll notice where it says live, I can actually click on any one of these. And I've got an account rep on the other line who's on a Zoom meeting. And we can sit down and have a conversation with anyone who's live right now about their products. Of course, you can see all their products here. I've got my rate sheet here, guys. It is comprehensive. But what I want to talk about is this: leads, prospects, and loans. So Thuan's like, you got to get more people in your leads. So what it really does is loan officers are looking for marching orders. Go get all the people that you know, like, and trust, your past client database, and get them into your leads over here. And because 2% are going to do something. Is that accurate, Thuan?
Yes, it's very accurate. People out there, there's always someone want to buy a house or want to refinance. So you want to target as many people as possible. And if you know how to target, who to target, you will be successful in converting them.
In markets that we're seeing right now, where, volume is down across the board, what are the type of activity? Have you changed any activities that you engage in? Have you made any pivots for the type of market we're in right now versus a hotter market?
Yeah, I mean, we know that rate have been so high for the last 3 years, right? There's a lot of people, a lot of homeowners got stuck with high rate, and they are desperately waiting and hopeful that the rate will drop and they can refinance and save money, right? There's a lot of them. And when rate drop is the golden time to go out there and capture the market. Right now is the peak of the refinance wave. Right now, rate is dropping so much. 2 days ago, I sent out an email to all my past clients, and my email blow up. I got over 100 email back and say, I want to refinance. What is the rate today? Can I refinance? How do I refinance? People out there, we all know that they don't know anything about mortgage. They don't know how to check the rate. They don't know how to pick the loan officer. So if you just be a little bit better than your competitor, you let people see that, they will pick you. They will love you. So as you can see, you go to social media, you see that so many loan officers are so active there, right? So there's a lot of competition. But if you are active and you also show that you are better, people would love to work with you. So for example, our loan officer at Loan Factory, we can go on social media and say, we have the best rate, we have the best offer for you. If not, we pay you $1,000. Imagine you can say that to all your consumer, all your client. They would love to check you out. They would love to call you and find out. And you have a website. Loan officer at Loan Factory have a website with your pricing engine there. You can take them to your website and let them experience that. Let them check the rate themselves. And they would love that. They would trust you completely. And trust is everything in our business, right? If the client trusts you, they want to work with you. They like you. So if you have a website with the pricing engine where the consumer can easily check the rate, and they see the rate is good enough saving, they will apply. And what you see is what you get. The client see the rate and they will get that rate. There's nothing better than that. So the goal is now so simple. We become so active on social media. We become so active and let a lot of people know about us, how good we are, how good is our pricing. We are working with 250 lenders and all that. We can find any products. If we are so good like that, the consumer would love you, love us, and they want to check us out. They want to work with us. So trust is everything. And we have the tool. We have the ability to help our loan officer at Loan Factory for sure have the best branding. So Loan Factory, we have 15,000 five-star Google reviews. That is the best record out there. No other mortgage company can come even close. Wow. So with that number of reviews, 5-star, there's no doubt that consumer would love to work with us because the chance that something can go wrong is so small. And they know that too. People love to look at review when they want to work with loan officer, when they get the service. They want to make sure that you can give them the best service, and they look at the review. So at Loan Factory, we can also help you set up a Google Business Profile account so that you can gather the review from your past client. And this is also another issue that I see so many loan officers missing out. They don't even collect review. They are missing out big time.
Guys, you're looking once again at our internal system. When Thuan was talking about the fact that, yes, we have over 250 lenders and they're all organized in lines of the mafia. You can get your non-QMs, your specific DSCR. If you're looking for any products, everything is perfectly outlined and at your disposal, and it's just a click away. Thuan was talking about his marketing pieces. I like to show this because I think it's really cool. Thuan has put together, I don't know who you have doing this, but like just these high quality flyers. And I mean, when I say this covers everything, it covers everything. And if I want to use any of these pieces, and you can see they're all branded to me, it's simply a click away. The cool part is you could bring your brand over to the Loan Factory with your DBA and your color scheme, and you could upload that into the system. And all of these beautiful flyers, they rebrand to your DBA, which is incredible. And here's the cool part: there's not a cost to this.
Exactly, there's no cost. You need to help with marketing, we help you. If you need with underwriter will jump in to help you. You need to support. You don't know how to do this and that. You can Go to the marketplace and our support specialist will be there to help you. So any help you need, there will be always someone to help you. You can see underwriter and the support team and even a coach, a loan officer can coach you and help you, and everything is free.
So what is the hard cost?
The hard cost is only two. First is the flat fee. We are a flat fee brokerage. So loan officer, when they join, they keep 100% of their commission. They only pay the company $5.95, which is the best out there. $5.95 per loan. If you compare to all major brokerage out there or even small brokerage out there, we are the best. We charge very little. And for a small loan amount, we even, if the commission is so low, we even share that with you. We take only half. Let's say the commission is somehow come out to be only $1,200. Then the company only keeps $600 total, not a lot. And then the processing fee is only $500. And our processor are very good.
Yeah, and I want to touch on that here in a second. But to Thuan's point, as far as support, again, I'm in my internal system. I could literally click on these guys right now, and they're on the other side of a video camera. And I could ask them anything if I need any support, and I've done it. I don't know how to do this. They're like, click here, click here, click here, click here, click here, you're done. Thank you, gone. I mean, anything on the file. But getting back to your point here, and I want to talk about real quickly the role of the loan officer. And I think what you do, Thuan, is you want people to find success in a manner that you have, and you want people to adopt some of the strategies that you have. The reason why the processors do everything soup to nuts is because a loan officer's job is to go out there and get loans. We don't put buggies on racehorses. So what is the role of a loan officer in your eyes to be successful?
I'm glad you asked this question. I would say 80-90% of loan officers out there don't know what they are doing. They run around, they're getting so busy doing everything, and they're unwilling to learn or change, So I am a great example. I used to be so busy. I used to do everything myself. But then as I get in more busy, I say that it's not worth it. I'd rather spend most of my time talking to the clients, talking to the realtor, build that relationship, do marketing, and bring in a lot of business rather than processing loan, take care of condition, waiting on the phone for half an hour to take care of the HOA or insurance. I know what is important, what is not important. And it's always important to bring in more loans, more clients. And everything else, we can have assistant, we can have processor, we can have the system. We need to leverage, so that we can continue to scale up, continue to have more clients and close more loans. So I've been doing this and I've become master. Like I said, this month I'm going to close at least 100 loans. But I still spend only 5% of my time originating, talking to the client, because I built up a rate system that allows me to continue to scale up, but work less and less. So I challenge all of the producing loan officers out there. If you are busy and if you're struggling to grow your business, to get more clients, or you're struggling to have more time for yourself or for your family, talk to me or talk to Brian. We have a rate system to help you. Rate system, rate support. We show you how you can get it done. You can continue to grow your business and spend less time on the business. That is possible. People keep asking, how can I work less but earn more and have more clients? We have the solution for you. So you can always reach out to Brian or me. We can show you more on what we are doing and how we can help you. So loan officer, if you struggle, right now is the best time. Everyone have more clients. And if you don't have a lot of clients, or if you struggle, if you cannot scale your business, if you don't know how to work less and have more clients, contact Brian. We can show you how.
This is my last stop. Like I got back into writing loans begrudgingly. And when I learned about what Thuan was doing, of course, I have a relationship with Thuan. and I started seeing the systems he was putting together, and I started going through it. I thought, oh my goodness, this is where I'm going to be for the end of my career, because the answers are right in front of us. And Thuan is a pathologically decent human being, and there's really something to be said about that. Any final shots? Any advice you'd give to a loan officer on the way out the door that might help them out with their business? What's the marching order? First thing to do today?
Today, right now, you need to spend a lot of your time. You need to work 12 hours or 14 hours a day, calling all your past clients, call your friends, call your family. Let them know that rates are dropping and you can help them get the best deal. Don't let the opportunity gone by. You leave money on the table right now. So much money out there to be made right now. So don't wait, don't miss it.
Yeah, I'll tell you what, call your clients, but if you don't worry. Your competition will call your clients, and they'll become their clients. These are all great points, Thuan, and let's just do this on a much more regular basis. Again, I hope everyone takes this to heart, because you are talking with one of the top producing loan officers in the country, if not the top, every year, year in and year out, for years and years. And so, Thuan, I appreciate your time today, and I look forward to speaking with you soon.
Yeah, thank you. My honor. Thank you, Brian.
Thank you so much.